Gondor sugar, crystallizer equipment. Dissolve premium white sugar in water, highly efficient removal of impurities, precise temperature control. The output of high purity. Connecting raw materials and the crystals, ensuring a stable supply of sugar syrup. Precise temp humidity pressure control. The crystallization process is stable. Plump and well-shaped sugar crystals. High production efficiency. Sucrose content 大于等于 99.8%. Graded screening of rock sugar granules. Finished products are uniform in size. Meet diverse production needs. Applicable products. Factory real shot.